guys, here we are again, another magnet fishing video. Louisiana, we're getting ready to leave tomorrow from the hurricane work that we did up here. So hope there's some good stuff here. We did another video the other day we're gonna drop too. So this is gonna be number 2 in Louisiana, number 2 magnet fishing, Two Brothers Treasures. We're not doing it with Uncle Chris. We're in Louisiana. We're gonna be doing it with Kyle Kesey, and we're gonna see what we can get. We got our bucket, we got our magnet, let's go do our thing. A lot of current coming out of here. Hey, chuck it over to that bridge straight over. Ooh, this looks good. This looks good. Kyle's gonna do his famous overhand. There you go. Kyle's got this. I don't think it's that deep, but I think a lot of water. I bet that water was up to that bridge. Kyle, what do you think? I say we need to drag it. Hey, walk it like this, Kyle, from this end and drag, because people throw stuff over. And you know, like you said, the hurricane came, so stuff got pushed everywhere.
Look at the weeds up under that bridge. How tall they're stacked up.
Is it dragging on the bottom?
This is hot concrete.
Yeah. Is it dragging bottom?
This is hot concrete.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Any treasure? Weeds. Weeds, we got weeds. All right, we got some weeds. I tell you what, let's go down here and drag it as we walk. Weeds, anything? No. So we don't have no space rocks or space monkeys. That's Brevard County, not here. So I say we go down here and drag on the edge. Or put it right down here and just walk that way. Drag around the bottom.
Try and get it up out just a little bit. No one's gonna drop it down.
There you go. There you go. Just walk it. Kyle's gonna drag it along this edge. You know, like you said, the hurricane came by here, and this water was all the way to the top of that bridge, all the way to the top. So a lot of stuff might have got pushed away. That current's pretty strong, Kyle. Oh, you're around that?
Yeah, behind him.
Nah, don't get tangled up around him. Oh, he got the bolt. Kyle got the bolt down there. It's stuck to the bolt of the bridge. There, you got it.
I was thinking behind it.
Let's see, pull it up. Do I look like there's something on there? Oh, there's something there. I see some treasure, bro. Anything? No. Ah, a little space rock or something right here.
Space rock, actually.
Another one of those. Let's go on the other side. All right, let's go on the other side over here. We're trying, guys. We're trying, but it's different here. With this storm came by, washed a lot of stuff around. I say just chuck it out and pull it in. Chuck it out, pull it in. Hopefully it doesn't float because the current's so. Wow, this current is going. Oh, there's the locks right there. That's why. There we go. Yeah, we don't want to hit it. Kyle looks up at the power lines and like, yeah, we don't want to catch them.
It was great.
We don't want to get the power lines. All right, come on, Kyle, chuck it. Don't catch the car. Don't catch the car. There we go. That's how you do it, man. I don't know, Kyle.
Release it, smash his window as he's driving.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to hit your car.
Oh, my luck, it bounces off the roof.
Is it up in the air? Or are you dragging it? Is it on the bottom? Yeah.
I can feel it.
Yeah, we just park in the street. That's how you do it up here. This is some smelly water, Kyle. It's funky. That current is boogieing pretty good. We got something. See, it's gonna be tough here. We got treasure, but it's not the kind of treasure we're looking for. This is more like tree treasure. Yeah, we got trees and bark and bushes. Anything under that's treasure? Why? No treasure. All right, no treasure. Let's chuck it on the Outer Banks.
A little bit.
We're trying, guys. We're trying. We knew this was going to be tough. It's not the thrower because Kyle's doing a great job. I told him he'd be good at this when we came and did this. He almost blew his shoulder out though, but you got, like I said, whoa. Did you guys see that? Kyle, what do you think about that?
Good one.
See?
Felt good.
Real good.
You know when it releases.
Yeah, when it releases, you know right away. It's like, yeah. Feeling something down there, Kyle? Never know. Rocks, things, something that's metal and it could be stuck down there for years. You know, you got to realize the floods down here. You know, everything just gets stuck in here over the years. These water pipes, bro. I think that might be the concrete coming off that, Kyle, huh? Oh, we got something.
Oh, yeah.
We got treasure. Hang over. We got treasure. Oh, yeah. We got treasure, guys. Yeah, boy. That's right. New Orleans treasure. Pick up the magnet and let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got here.
Let's see. Turn it around. Turn it
Sort
around.
of steel rod or copper?
Hold on.
What are we coloring?
Copper. Oh, this is...
Grounding rod?
I don't know. Pull it off.
I've been trying. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, now look. I don't know. It's got a little copper look to it.
Something.
It's like a ground rod.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Our first good piece. All right. Put that in the treasure bucket.
Throw it in the bucket.
In the bucket. Everything goes in the bucket. Hold on. Let me get... Forgot to carry my bucket with me. And we are just parked in the street here. Treasure bucket. That's right, Kyle pulling it in. The money. Meanwhile, hands are nice and dirty. That's some smelly mud. All right, Kyle, come on. See how he threw? See how he got that, guys? That's how you magnet fish.
Right back in that same spot because I felt something.
All right, let's go. Kyle says he felt something more. We're chucking. Let's do it. Got to be stuff out here. Come on, just a little more. There you go. Kyle's precise. That's how you do it, right on the money. That was good treasure, right, Kyle?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's a good treasure.
Copper ain't cheap.
Who are we getting this treasure for?
For you.
That's right. For you guys. You guys.
Preciouses of metal.
Yes. And that was copper. That's money right there. Money. Come on. This current's crazy here.
Yeah, that's what honestly saying. Your
Crazy.
flows on point. Good. Right there again.
Think that concrete goes out to there?
Yeah, I think it's gonna take the whole way.
Really? Like a big... I wonder how they, wonder how they did that. That's a lot. That's a lot of work. That's why the streets are no good here, because they put all the money in these drainages.
That there, it's built in a hole.
Ooh, I see something. We got treasure on there. Oh. Did we knock it off? Oh, I think we knocked it off. Oh, what do we got? Aha. Put that right there.
Wire tie and then
No, it's
brake cable?
No, it's like some, I don't know, but it's small treasure. In the bucket. In the bucket. In the bucket. Let's go down. Let's try that. You want to go down there? Oh, we're just gonna go like this. Yeah. Go ahead, do it. Hey, you never know where it's gonna hit, right? Hit that angle that way. Let's try over here. Yeah, let's go on this edge. I think closer to the edge, maybe. All right, here we go. Look at that throw, man. How was that throw?
Out the line, that was good.
All the way.
Getting caught before it even hit
Look at
water.
that. All the way. We might even be able to get a car in here. Come on. Oh, I see some. Anything on there? Got some weeds. More weeds and gook. More weeds and gook.
One more lob on the, yeah, go down just a little bit.
All right, Kyle's got that killer throw technique working. That, my friend, is a perfect throw.
Sinking into something, there's bubbles.
Yeah. Once you see the bubbles, sometimes that's when you know you get hooked. Kyle, get it. The bubbles, right?
The bubbles. The bubbles. There's a layer of muck, but it's concrete.
Come on. More garbage. Let's see. Oh, a lot of treasure.
Wire.
What? So that looks like a piece of tie wire. Oh, let's put that right here. Put it right here. Don't want to drop. What? Another bottle cap. Ancient bottle cap.
Little beefies.
It has some leaves. Space. Ooh, metal. Here we go, guys. Got 1, 2, 3. That was a money throw right there. Cleaning out this canal. There we go.
Yep.
Cleaning it up, slowly but surely. One more good one. Let's get a good one this one. Kyle is pulling the treasure in this guy.
The old school overhand.
Yeah, old school overhand. Here we go. What? Dude, that's it. That's as good as it gets. Look at that. Kyle's throwing. Kyle's finding treasure. Louisiana. New Orleans, Hurricane Ida, place was flooded. This canal was flooded all the way to these houses. All the way up to these houses, man. So we finally were able to come over here and do a little magnet fishing for you guys while we're here. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I want to make sure I got a couple of videos while we were here. Taking a little break from work. Get you guys videos. Because we know you guys want to see this treasure. Ooh, I see bubbles, bro.
Yep. That right came through. I don't know if it's a game.
No. Sometimes you get some and the bubbles start popping up. That's like a sure sign of something when the bubbles are bubbling. I see stuff on there. See, we got this pipe in our way. We don't want to lose anything, but Kyle's got a good system. You pick it up, let it swing, and then pull it up again. Let's see what we got.
Right there.
Oh, yes. Some kind of metal. Is that a piece of tie wire on there? Is that, no? A lot of metal rocks. What do you think that would be, Kyle?
I don't know. I'm thinking iron ore.
Iron ore. Iron ore, iron.
Iron ore, steel.
Iron ore. Iron ore. It's iron. I say we drag on that edge. Is it moving any?
Yeah.
Really?
Feel it. You can pick it up. You can pick it up and put it back down. You can pick it up and put it back down.
It's hooked on something. It's in there. Oh, it's probably a car.
Could be.
You never know, dude. Whatever it is, it's stuck in that mud.
Or an old French muzzle loader.
We got some stuff now. Let's see, a lot of weeds again. All right, that's our last throw. We're getting a lot of weed. Magnet right here. Sit it right on here. Right on this pipe. Right here. Back it up here. What do we got?
Right here.
What? What? That's a welding rod. Is that a welding rod?
It's
what is that, Kyle?
I don't know. Stuck pretty good. That's all.
Got some weeds.
That's all weeds.
Yeah.
Decent. That thing stuck good.
That's it. That
Treasure bucket.
Treasure bucket. All right, guys. Me and Kyle. Hold on a second. Let me get this. Here we go. We got this. That another bottle cap.
They're drinking good. It's green.
It's green. Kyle said it's green.
It's drinking good in Northern.
That's right. Hey, look, man. We came here. We did this, bro. We got treasure for you guys. And, you know, got another video we're going to drop. That's 2 up in Louisiana. That was tough, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's tough. It ain't easy. This ain't easy. All right, let's look at the treasure bucket. Well, got some treasure, some steel, a couple things. Nice. There you guys go. Not a lot. Not a lot. But we did it, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
See?
For you.
For you, baby. For you guys.
That's what we do.
That's what we do. That's what we do. All right, guys. Anyway, this is what we do. We park on the street randomly and did it. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it on this video. So listen, we might do another one. I don't know. We're leaving tomorrow, but maybe on the way home, I might pull over something like in Alabama, Panama City. I might just pull in and just do one for you guys. Why not, right? Why not? So, yeah. So listen, if you guys like this video, leave a comment below. Hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Leave a comment. Tell us what you guys want us to do, because we're going to do what you tell us. We're going to go over bridges, manhole covers. We don't care. You guys just tell us what you want. We're going to do it. But anyway, we're going to get you on the next one. Watch the video. Oh, merch. Merch is coming. Don't forget. We're out.